everyone, and happy Sunday. Today I'm going to be showing you our January mystery kit, and our January mystery kit also has the new formatting for the 2024 year. And so I'm going to kind of walk through what's different with our formatting for this year and what the January mystery kit looks like. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our planner sticker shop. And comment below what you think of the new formatting and what you think of the January mystery kit. So this mystery kit was designed by Dawn, and it's exclusive art, which is super exciting. And I'm in love with the colors of this kit too. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. So here is the first page of the January mystery kit. It is foiled in silver foil. And the colors are like red and soft pink colors and white. And these are the full boxes. So we have these adorable birds kissing on a branch and some foiled hearts between them. And then this beautiful heart with some florals on the front of it. And the next box says that you are incredible in foil. Then we have like a table with a bouquet of flowers and some tea on it, and heart foiled banner at the top. Then we have like an envelope with some butterflies floating out of it, and it says love in foil at the bottom. And in the middle we have a scene of what looks like possibly like a cafe or a coffee shop. And we have the banner again of the foil hearts, and we have that really cute bike with some flowers in the basket. And then lastly, it looks like this may be like a love potion with florals around it and butterflies. So this is the first page. And also with the mystery kit, we include a bonus item. So the bonus item for January is this die cut of the bouquet of flowers. You could use it on your monthly dashboard, or you can put it in with one of your dailies or weeklies with this kit. So here's the first page. Next, we have the page that has the two extra full boxes. So we have the bouquet of flowers and then some flowers in like a vase with some foil accents around it. And then the Monday through Sunday, which is the same as what we used to have in last year's formatting. Some square heart boxes and then heart date dots. And then down here is where it's different. We have some foiled framing pieces that you can use. And also the weekend script, the font is a bit different. Then we have the Monday through Sunday, and for the Monday through Sunday, we used to have like swatch backers with colors, but now we have full rectangular boxes behind the days with patterns on it. So on here, we have the watercolor background with some florals underneath the days of the week. And then we have some washi tape below. Okay, the next page at the top we have the checkered strips, and then underneath that we have some bows that I'm in love with. I used it in one of my spreads recently and it looks so good. And it has some foiled sparkles on top of it and then half scallop boxes underneath it. And at the bottom we have the thinner washi strips, and we have 4 of them in total. Okay, so the checklist page is different as well. We still have the flags at the top and then the layering pieces over there. We included this movie sticker, so you could write what TV show or movie you're watching for that week. And then we also have some boxes with the doilies in the upper corner. And in the middle we have the bow check boxes, and the bows are a bit more elegant looking. We changed that. And then below we have the circle checklist flags. We used to have it as hearts, but we changed it to circles so you can just check mark easily as you're going through your list. And then we have one that just has the 1. Then we have the foiled headers, foil glitter headers, and this is different as well because the background used to just be a solid color, but now we have kind of like a design behind it, so it's kind of like watercolor-ishy. That's really like the vibe we've been going with recently, or that Dawn has been going with designs. And I love having the background with not just a solid color, but like a pattern. And then the glitter headers at the bottom. There's a lot more glitter on the glitter headers too. Next we have our functional boxes, and the sheet is the same. Then we have the Fashion Girl boxes, and then the icons off to the left side, and that is the same for the mystery kit. And then lastly, we have the deco sheet. And look how pretty all those butterflies that you have that you can put throughout your spreads. And then we have like a tiered plate over here with different goodies. The colors are just so beautiful. So this is the January mystery kit. It's exclusive to our mystery kit subscription. We will have spots open for the next mystery kit soon, but it's super important that you follow us on social media, like on Instagram, or that you subscribe to our newsletter. And you can do that by going to our website and scrolling to the bottom. And in the bottom left-hand corner, there'll be a bar where you can type in your email to sign up. And you can get like exclusive deals and stuff like that through our email. So make sure to follow us on other social medias so that you will know when spots open for the next mystery kit. Let me know what you think of the new formatting for the mystery kit for 2024. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you have had a wonderful beginning of your 2024. Bye, everyone.